So you had a great question. You can introduce yourself. I'm Kyle.
I'm Zion, man.
All right, so Zion, what was your question again, my guy?
So my question was, can I do the animal push-ups at the gym? Like, what do I need to do the animal push-ups? What do I need to start? And even if it ain't the animal push-ups, like, that type of push-up you was doing, you know, is it one the regular one? Like, how can I do that?
For sure. So if you're going to get started, I wouldn't do it in a negative like how we was doing it on a bar, because you don't have to have, like, more upper body strength if you're a beginner. So to
Beginner,
get used to this, I was on the ground. So I get my feet up against the wall, like this, and then I would get used to just coming here. It's still a great workout. So I wouldn't even make it seem as if it's not as difficult, because it is.
So you pushing out without bending, like, or extending the legs fully?
So yeah, I'm keeping my legs locked in, but I'm putting all the pressure and the weight on my body towards my chest and shoulders.
Okay.
So this is getting my shoulders to engage, my back, all of it. And I'm lifting up with a little bit of my legs.
Okay, definitely. Sure.
Yeah, so the ones me and Sterl just did, we hopped over here. And just because we didn't train a little bit more than the average person, instead of starting on the ground, we came up here. So this is a lot more difficult because you don't have the ground supporting your body weight. Your legs in the air, your chest in the air. It's all part of the workout. This is definitely more advanced too.